In these video tutorials, we will be showing you how to use KanSched3. KanSched3 is a program that uses ET data to help you determine when and how much irrigation you should apply to your field. We will be showing you how to access KanSched3 and what you need to make an account, or if you forgot your password. To access KanSched3, you will need to go to MyLab, that is milab.ksu.edu, and you should have a website pull up similar to this. On the right hand side underneath Online Tools, you'll see a link for KanSched3, which you want to click. The next page you will see is a brief description about KanSched3. Here you'll be able to access KanSched3. You will see that it says beta version available here. We are continuing to fix bugs and improve KanSched3 from user feedback. Again, click beta version available here. You will be then directed to the login screen. On the right hand side, you can log in with your username or email address and your password. If you don't have an account, or if you've got your password, on the right hand side underneath the login information, click create new account or reset your password. When you click create new account, you will need to enter in an email address, a username, contact settings, and a profile picture if you would like to have one. Once you fill in information, just click create new account. If you have an account already but forgot your password, you'll see a page similar to this when you try to reset your password. You will just need to enter in your username or email address associated with that account. You will then get a link sent to the email address where you can reset your password. Once you have entered in your username or email address and your password, you can go ahead and click the blue login button here. You are now inside the KanSched3 program. My screen is going to look a little different right now since I have some developer options and I already created a field for some testing purposes. In the next few videos, we will be showing you how to set up your new field along with the budget for your field.